This bad. Jerk chicken and normal. Hi, mother. She's not afraid of none. Olivia. You got it now, alright. My mother came all the way from Texas to give me 6 love. Can you imagine after my husband told me to take the race? Take the race. Mommy, give me 6. The car is fast. It's fast. No, it's fast. I didn't expect it to be so fast.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Mommy say morning.
Good morning, folks. Good morning.
Mommy is in the kitchen with me early in the morning. So the jerk chicken that you guys saw me seasoned yesterday, if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, then this is jerk chicken that's going in the oven. Season, well seasoned and marinate overnight. And this is mother's technique of doing jerk chicken. So season it, marinate, and now she's covering it with foil. What you going to do next, Mommy?
Put it in the oven at 350 for 1 hour.
350 for 1 hour. And then when we reach the 1 hour, I'll show you guys what Mommy do next. So guys, watch closely because we're gonna steal Mommy technique. And on the side, I'm making breakfast for the fam bam. I'm doing eggs, plantain, and then I'm gonna do turkey bacon with that. So we might have some bread or whatever we decide. So you guys, today is our last final full day here in New Jersey before we head back to France. Y'all cry with me because I know the tears are gonna fall tomorrow. We don't know doubt. I'm just anticipating it all. But since it's our last day, we're going to make the best of today. Whatever we can do to maximize the day, to fill it up with activities and spend time with Mommy and my brother and the kids. For the last full day, we're gonna do so. So enjoy today's vlog, subscribe if you're new to the channel, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Whatever it is that I'm doing, I'll make sure I'll capture and freeze those moments. So catch you guys along the day. 1 hour, you're gonna take off the foil paper.
I take off.
Oh, you're not turning in the other way so the two of them can hold up the top?
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's big enough. No? No. You're right. You're right. Which means that one gonna need more than 1 hour then.
Yeah.
So 1 hour and then you're gonna take off the foil.
Take it out, take off the file, take out the juice, put it in put the chicken on a baking sheet, put it back in the oven, raise the temperature.
And throw it down at you. That's okay, she's just playing.
So I raise the temperature.
No.
When I take it out and put it on the baking sheet, I raise the temperature so that one side of the chicken brown really fast.
Okay.
And then after that, I turn on the broiler of the stove so that will brown the top.
Oh, interesting.
Give it some
Alright.
color, not really brown. But
Make sure you don't do any step without me if I'm not in the living room, because I want to catch everything.
Okay there.
Everything. Driving? You driving, Mama? Wait. She come for a basket. Hey, handsome. Say good morning. Living your last full day best life, chilling. My niece down there playing. I finish already out of the bottle. Well, at least it's down. Kids playing with bubbles. Bless you. Where grandma? Where grandma, Ty? Okay. Alright, you guys, Mumsel on the floor, chicken out of the oven. Let's see what's the next step. What you gonna do now, mommy?
Okay, so I'm gonna take the chicken out of the pan. Perfecto. Okay, this is nice.
Good.
So you see, all that juice is from the chicken and the chicken only.
Mm-hmm.
So remember. So now, I'll take these out.
Hold the tongue a little bit shorter because it's stiff. Right.
Oh man.
Very stiff. Me can me here use it. So you're gonna lay them on the tray.
Lay them on
And
the
then what?
tray.
Put them back in?
And then I'm gonna put them in at high. Turn
Ah,
the oven
so
up.
this is where the browning comes in.
Right. Turn
Okay.
the oven up and put it on.
With no sauce, no nothing.
No nothing. No nothing. This
Okay.
is jerk chicken. What you don't need no sauce.
Ah, got you. Got you, got you, got you.
So these, see, you just lay the chicken on. You just see. Woo! This looks so nice. This is gonna be good. The finished product.
Why? I'm ready. Ready, ready.
You see all them scotch bonnet and that?
Mm-hmm.
So then now, all this chicken juice in here.
That's what you're
You
gonna
want
use.
the sauce?
Mm-hmm, that's what you do. Yes, Sarah. Eat pasta. Look, beside Ty. Put the plate close to her so she can eat.
I use this chicken juice to make a gravy. So I just put it on the, I would just put this on the stove, put me a piece of thyme in it, and then use cornstarch as thicken it in for my gravy.
Yes, take up the chicken.
And that's it.
Okay.
Ooh! Oh my
That
god.
smell good to your mommy. Anika, you not learn? In the corner. You all know that Anika don't like the camera. Much there. That looks so good. How close up. Look at the scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet floating. Woo!
Jerk chicken at its best.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
I finished.
Ready for the crab?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, please. So this is the final product, mommy.
The final, yeah.
You can pinch off the piece there.
Yeah, and you can use a fork or something.
It don't come off already.
Yeah.
Alright. So you guys, you see, you don't need no browning. No browning on the jerk.
Jerky chicken.
Anika.
Yeah.
Jesus, take the wheel. Anika.
See there? Juicy and
You guys
tender.
look there. Anika. Anika.
I'm eating the inside, so it's not that spicy.
Jesus. Hey, me want to see when this lick, babe. If babe eat
Not
this,
something.
hold on, uno just be quiet and watch when he take the first bite.
come 3 years.
Hey, he might go turn pink. Oh my God.
Mommy, this is spicy.
OMG. This
Hi, Connor, eat the middle.
kinda can't.
And the middle, we just eat.
And me season up all the chicken, me no let none pit in there now.
Have you not given him spicy stuff yet?
I'm probably eating it.
Sarah,
He will eat it.
Sarah go say this hot. Tyler will never eat this here.
Yep.
Jesus.
That's jerk for you. That's
OMG. Me want a fat leg and tie right now.
juicy.
Anika, how
moist,
about
nice.
you?
Yeah.
I want something that's crispy. I want the crispiest ones. Jerk chicken. It's just crispy.
OMG. This a jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. So there goes the final product.
Jerky in.
Crispy,
Yeah.
spicy, and ready for the belly.
Spicy, see
This bad. Jerk chicken and normal.
That's not the people like you. That's the dumbest.
Thank you so much.
The short stuff.
And then, right in that, you see that bone there? No, me choke that bone.
You guys, look.
Me brought me there to eat one fish head.
Mommy said she broke her teeth eating a fish head.
Alright, it's not nothing.
And I'm having mine with bird. This? Not even street food, no bad so.
Something.
Not even street food, no bad so.
Oh no, but it's not the little
I still never start with jerk chicken as of today. Oh! Bravo! Look who showed up just in time.
Bessie, you want some jerk chicken?
Yes, man. Come. Baby, come sit down right here. What you want? Our topic. Dead.
They can you straight up to me, please?
Baby, wait, man. No, ask me if it's good. Wait, feet.
You need a leg too. I mean, look how tiny this is. Alright. Yes.
Come, babe, eat them.
Alright.
Turn off this thing now, just off.
We're good. Duro, what say you?
Make him bad piece more, man.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to tell you if I'm screaming because it's hot? I will.
I know you can tolerate it. Yes, eat the bird cool the pepper.
I know.
But it's good. These are Nikki.
You know I will scream.
Oh, you have already?
I mean, but then it's already, woman.
That's the best jerk chicken I ever tasted in my life.
The strongest, the best.
Yo, baby. Mommy asked baby if he don't eat his bone. Babe face. Alright, you guys.
That's a
So you
finished
can-
product.
Yeah, you can order some on, what's the website? It's varybun.com.
Finished product.
Is
You guys eat bad. Nice.
Yep.
Watch it.
Yep.
Jerk chicken and bread. Yes, mother. Go on in a heat. Watch Conrad. My brother is just taking and dancing. But look how the meat falling off the bone as he big it up. Ah, and he's eating purple over there that I just made. Look at him, you guys. Look at him.
Happiness is in the food. You put a happiness dressing.
Eat nice, swallow.
It's a happy person who prepared.
Don't eat. True. Double love night, them mother.
Yep.
Double love. You guys were at the park, the entire squad. Watch mommy in her mini. The mom says she's not mini. I'm not doing it either. Which one? This rock one? I would do this one. Like mommy said, I look that bad. Ooh, the babe, Anika, Conrad, and we're going in here. Yeah, that dress is pretty big. Yeah. Which one you go on?
I went on a train with Olivia.
And never again.
The thing started reversing.
Oh.
The man say, reverse time!
Oh, that looks scary. Wait, Sarah, wait. Look at this one. Oh my God. Oh no, I ain't going on it. Sarah, look. Oh my gosh. Look at this drop. Holy sh! Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel that. Oh my God. I would pee myself a million times. Oh no. Oh. Oh my God. Holy crap. Hell no. Kids on the ride. Olivia. Hey. Good boy. Good job, Connor. No, see him hold on. Put him finger in him out. Oh, look at my babies. Hi, Olivia. Tyler. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. We're on the carousel. No. The carousel. It's fast. It's fast. No. It's fast. I didn't expect it to be so fast. Anika! It's fast. Sarah! Yo, Anika behind that kill me. Oh my God! Woo. Olivia! Ding, ding, ding. Hi, Sarah! Sarah! Sarah, ring out the hello to her bell. Oh my gosh! Hi, Olivia! Hi, Connor! Tai Tai! Sarah! Look at Connor! Hey, Tyler looks stuck up. He's so short. Tyler too tall. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Connor. I don't know if you like it. Watch his face. Watch Connor face. Yes, Connor. You got it now. All right. Watch Connor face. Yes, Connor. Go with Sarah. Hey.
You're fine, guys. You're fine.
Tyler, die! Oh, babe, you're way up. Y'all send my husband in. You don't want to go?
You don't want to go? You sure?
Go, it's okay.
No, you have to go in it.
No, him don't want to go, that's fine. Conrad said to ask if you're not going on one, Mommy. Mommy would never. Mommy's running from every single one. Oh, it's broken, that one also? Oh no. Hi. Hi, Mother. Hi, honey. Let's go, Sarah. Woohoo! Watch here, they finish already. Tai did this one. Sarah is over here in the pink. It's going faster and faster. She said faster, faster. Tell us that you're real. You're afraid of nothing. Go, Sarah! Woohoo! Go, 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 go! She's while, I know. Babe is doing the bumper cars with my brother. Hi, babe. Brave girl Olivia living her best life. We're gonna go with Connor now. Take the risk. My mother came all the way from Texas to give me 6 love. Can you imagine after my husband tell me to take the risk? Take the risk. Mommy, give me 6 love. Hear him? You hear him? After him tell me take the risk. Can me take the risk and play me hard in and make me lose.
You need to read the domino game yourself and not take hint from.
And not take the risk.
No code, just play.
Let me get 6 love. Hear him.
Read the game and you play.
Hear him. Well,
Put the blame on me.
I got Jordan and my sorrows.
If you want, you will.
Sarah, come on, let's go to bed. Next time, I don't want to be a partner. I'm going to choose mommy. Hi. It was an evening well spent with the fam bam. We got back home, we played domino. Babe and I reached 4, then they broke it. They broke it and then they gave us 6 love. Mom gave us 6 love. So yeah, got 6 and now I'm heading to bed because we are leaving tomorrow. Tomorrow we have our flight tomorrow, so we'll be heading back to France tomorrow. This is our last day here. All good things must come to an end, but tomorrow we'll talk about that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. It is now exactly 1 a.m. You see the time of morning that I'm going to my bed? 1 a.m. Look at Sarah, also just going to her bed. Say night night, babes.
Night, babe.
See you guys tomorrow. 6 love, partner in crime.
Oh, lovely, baby. Yeah, the best losing partner I ever know.
Oh my
I enjoy
god.
losing with you.
Can't believe we had the game up. Is Babe fault why I lose the game, you know? Babe fault why I lose the game.
It's your fault why we didn't win the game at
Oh
first.
my god.